This is the new Ryobi compact high pressure washer, capacity of 2030 PSI, model number RACPWS5. Picked up from Bunnings, currently selling at $199. Comes with a standard 4 years warranty, 2 years extra if you register online. Apparently comes with the following: 15-degree nozzle, a turbo nozzle, 600ml foam bottle, a 6-meter hose, your lance, your gun, and of course the unit itself. On the back here we've got a few features highlighted. It's lightweight, compatible with 1/4 inch quick connect accessories, anti-tip design, and compact storage. A couple of specs here on the back of the box: 1800 watts of power, 2030 psi capacity, flow rate of 7 liters per minute, the hose length of 6 meters, and weighs in at 6.4 kilos. So we'll go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Looks like there's some instruction manuals by the looks of it. Let's see. The instruction guides by the looks of it. There it is there. Comes with some O-rings. Foam bottle. So your turbo nozzle there, 1/4 inch fitting. See the water. Small sort of a mesh carry bag for your accessories by the looks of it. Top for the bottle, so it just sort of twists on, quarter twists on. Your lances, your connectors. What else will it look like? Got our 6-meter hose. Got our little gun there. Okay, and of course our unit itself. Alright, now we've got everything out of the box. Let's see how we put things together. I'll grab the nozzle gun for starters. There's a unlock switch down the bottom. So that's how you on off. Alright, so in here there's a bit of a groove to match up with your lance. There it is there, so a bit of a notch there to match the groove in the, so that goes upwards. There's a bit of a window to sort of help you see what's going on. Once you have that in, give it a bit of a push, you'll see it in the window gone in, and just push in and twist, and that will pop out and lock in place. Next bit's a little bit more tricky. There's a little arrow up here. You're going to match that with your next piece. And if you look there, there's another arrow there that points upwards. So you're going to match them together, make them point, and you'll find that, you twist it around, you'll find that sort of sweet spot where it meets together, and just give it a push and click. Now if you've just unboxed it, the 15 degree nozzle will already come inserted. To get that fella out, just pull down on this brass part and out she goes, and then you can pop in the turbo nozzle if you need to. Just pop her in, pull this down, pop her in, and there she goes, all nice and tight. So that's how the gun's assembled. The next part is the hose. There, it doesn't matter which side you plug things in, that will plug into underneath the gun just here. If I can get the camera in focus, there we go. That plugs into there, just clicks in, and that will be the same on the unit itself. So on the back, to get your water in from your garden hose, that will just be, just pop this guy off, he'll just sort of twist off. Grab this fella, screw him on, and that's where your garden hose will fit into, and that's it. There was this little pin at the back of the manual hiding there. I've had a bit of a look through the manual. It doesn't seem to say what you do with it, but common sense tells me it's probably to get rid of debris and stuff if your nozzles gets clogged between this or the turbo one. So I think that's what it is. Let us know what you think, but that's pretty much ready to rock and roll. And stay tuned next time for a bit of a review, see how this works, and is it worth buying.